welcome back to Jr.Coder. So, today I'll be showing you how to add more features into the Scratch account. Okay, so I'll get started. So let's go into a Google, Microsoft Edge, or Safari browser. Just like Scratch Addons. Okay, then click on this. The first one you get Scratch Addons Google Chrome, and the first one, so click on that link. Okay, so I'm only showing you this for Chrome. Okay, so what you can do is click on Add to Chrome. So it can add Scratch Addons. It can read and change the data on api.scratch.mit.edu, clouddata.scratch.mit.edu, and scratch.mit.edu. Okay, now let's have the extension. It's checking. Okay, so it's adding to Chrome. It's getting downloaded. Yeah, it takes a while. Yeah, so it tells welcome to Scratch Addons. So this is gonna help us get more features into our Scratch. Okay, so now let's close this. Okay, our simple Scratch looks like this. Okay, so this isn't cool. So click on Scratch Addons. Okay, go to Addons and click on Open Full Screen Settings. Okay, so we can add a new element called grab single block with Control key. So I'll be showing you what to do. So when you come into new project, here, suppose you are adding one green flag clicked, forever, move 10 steps. Okay, and click Control. Okay, I'll just click on the block here. Okay, so when we click here and we press Control, then everything comes out. So now if we put this here, then now I'll just refresh the tab, reload it. Okay, so here, now when you put one green flag clicked, and go to X and Y 0, and then forever loop, and I can tell move 10 steps, yep. So now when you click Control and remove, only that block comes. Cool. Now let's get on to the next feature. Hide new variables. So directly, I'll just see this. So when we refresh, okay, now these variables, we'll make some variable called X for this sprite only. It is not coming, it directly gets hidden. So you can keep this on off, but I want it off. So move costume top bottom. So add the right click context menu item to move a costume or sound to the top or the bottom of the list, previously part of the developer tools. So I don't want this, so I'm not keeping it. So this 60 FPS, all of these are already put. Okay, now let's come to auto hiding block palette. So I'll keep on and palette here we have. Okay, refresh. Yeah, I'll save and refresh. So, okay, now we can lock. We have this good sign, and then when we leave it, then it goes. And when you hold it in the palette place, then everything comes back. But we can lock so that it doesn't happen. Okay, and one more feature which comes automatically when we put Scratch Addons is set thumbnail, but do not use this set thumbnail because this doesn't work. And then find Control F when we click variable X. Okay, when we click it, then it just highlights it. So that's so good. Okay, let's get to the next one. Block switching. right click on a block to switch it to a related block. Okay, I'll be showing you. So move 10 steps. We don't have forever, yeah. Repeat until and forever. So I'll be doing repeat until. See, we get that block. So this one is one more. And clone counter. This counts our clones. Okay, we'll have to refresh. So here, suppose if I create clone of myself. See, it shows clones 1. Okay, so clone counter is on. Data category tweaks provides tweaks for the data variables block category and not putting it. Do not automatically run duplicated blocks. Okay, so let's see this. I'm refreshing it. So see, when we suppose do this, then it runs, right? Okay, I'll be removing it and then I'll be showing it to you. No, I don't. See, it just comes. So yeah, that one also is one thing. See, like in some of the parts, see that goes like that, right? So when we put this, it doesn't go like that. So, file drag and drop. Okay, so suppose we have a folder and you want to just drop it, you can drag and drop it here. So that is one more cool thing. Okay, I will on it. Okay, Hex Color Picker. Okay, so that's the hex code. Okay, costumes, and here. Yeah, you get this hex color code. So that's a kind of code. So you just type in Google Chrome. Okay, I'll say green. Green color. Green color. Hex code. Okay, so now it tells this. If we suppose copy this, and then I'll select this face and we create it with this. See, we get the green color. Oh, sorry. Let us select this. Apply the hex code. Oh, yeah. It is not getting applied, but here. Yeah, I'll show you here. Oops, what's this? Okay. So you get the hex color code, so you can see the color here. So that's one more thing which I want to keep it. So messages in editor, space and messages in the editor. So here you can see the messages. I'll be reloading. Okay, it's getting reloaded. So yeah, now that it is reloaded, see, you can see messages here. Okay, I have 76 messages right now. Okay. So that's one. The mouse position. Like the clone counter, see, we have the mouse position. It keeps on coming here. I'll show you. Okay, if you can see this one. See, we keep moving our pointer. Okay, so this is one. Then I want to keep it. So muted project blue mode. So Control plus click the green flag to mute and unmute the project. I don't want this. Onion skinning, I want it. You can search what is onion skinning on the web. So I don't want to teach you because that's a big thing. I don't want to teach you right now. So paint costume by default. So I'm showing you. Change the default action of choose a sprite, costume, backdrop, and sound buttons which open the library by default. Okay, I don't want this. Pause button, yeah, it's cool. See, we get the pause button. So we can pause it. We pause it. Yeah, we can resume it. So this one's goes out. Keep it. And then project progress bar. So while we are saving it, then it shows a progress bar. I can't show it to you right now. Okay, see. Um, then maybe will be okay. So I'll be showing the progress bar. So you click save. Yeah, the progress bar. Okay, so that's cool. Yes. Yeah. So that gets on to the next one. Project video recording. So you can record your project also. I'll save it. Reload. Sorry. Yep. Now you have this start recording button here. So you click. If I had a record duration for maybe 5 seconds, including product sounds. Now for microphone. Okay. Start. It shows waiting. Okay. You have to go full screen. Then it starts automatically. Let's start this. Yeah. So it really gets downloaded. Okay, after 5 seconds. So then what we can do is let's get on to the next Scratch Addon. Okay, so yeah. So on the searchable drop downs, okay, allows you to search drop downs. So see, when you click on the mouse scrolling button, click it. Then you get this. You start typing. You can ask for whichever block you want. So I'll move 10 steps. Okay. So you just click. You get the block. This one's cool too. Let's go to the next one. Sprite deletion confirmations. Okay. It asks if you want to delete the sprite. So in this sprite folders, as folders to sprite pane as discussed to and sounds lists. I don't want this confirmations. So it confirms project sharing. So if you want to give the following and following users a confirmation, you can do that. Confirm joining studios, you can do, and confirm closing favorite topics. But I want only project sharing. Copy link to comment button. Copy a link to comment button. Yeah, so on this remix tree button, this you will come to know when you see a project. So make 2.0 style pages look like Scratch 3.0. Okay, now save it. Photos. See, you get it like this. Okay, so primary color will be changed to black as I want. No. Okay, so this one will be for black. Let's see. Then color is that. So we need to only change here. So, Scratch notifications and Scratch message. Just click the notifications to go straight to the message. Okay, I don't want this. Search profile allows you to get. Okay, this is perfect. So suppose I want Griff Patch. Okay, Griff Patch. You have the project. So here you have the profile option. You click on it, and then you go to Griff Patch profile. Okay. So show exact count. Shows the exact count for user and studio info. Use Scratch DB phones information. Okay. Now let's go to profile. East. Okay, this one. No, I don't want this. Oh yeah. This one's cool actually. So you can see how many follows you want, like how many followers you have, and how many people are you following. So if you remove this and refresh and show, See, you in the bracket you don't know what is the number. So I'll refresh and show. So we refresh. Then in the brackets you get I have 394 followers, 796 following, studios I curate 35, studios I'm following 38, favorite projects 106, share projects 22. Okay, so this one's cool. Automatically add extensions, I don't want this. Block palette category icons. So this one's very, very, very cool. Okay, now let's go to my stuff and see inside for the project one. Okay, so say instead of all of that, like the colors, you have the logos, okay, which is more cool, and it brings the cat blocks. The next one, which is very nice, which I love. You have the cat blocks. Reload it. Then you get the cat blocks. So, yep, you see, which is very nice. Okay, so watch mouse cursor. Reload. Okay, reload. Reload. See, it watches our mouse cursor. Click on it, click on the yes, then blinks. Okay, let's get the clear context menus. Let's try this. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I know this. When you right click, you get this in blue color. So I wanted customizable block colors. No. Customizable block shape. No. Customizable code areas. No. Customizable new sprite position. No. Debugger. Okay. You can add this. So I'll be showing you. Then it is showing it to you. Yep, you get the debugger. So display stage on the left side. I don't want this. Edit dark mode and customizable colors. See, you can get into the black, which is very cool. Okay, so I can put color. Okay, this is okay. Dark. Reset to cancel. I don't want to. Keep it suppose. So here, black. Okay. So first of all, I will design black. Black. So here, also should be black. Okay, you can keep it to blue itself. Default. Okay, default. So no, I don't want this. Scratch default. Okay. Default. 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 Gamepad support. Gamepad support. Gamepad. Yeah. Gamepad support. What will I get? Yeah. Gamepad support. Projects using a USB or Bluetooth controller gamepad. I don't want it, so you can put it. Okay, we have to put this hide delete button. I don't want any variables. I had shown you, but I don't want. Okay, this one. No. Okay, this one you can put. Non-drivable sprites in editor. Non-drivable sprites in editor. So I see when we go to the editor of our new project. Yeah. So yeah, we got you can drag your sprite, but if you put this on, you cannot grab the sprite. You have to change the X and Y positions. Running block water adds a color highlight. So when you click, we have only the yellow one, so you can put this, but don't want it. We'll manage this cross folders and studios. So now there was a little change that we couldn't browse our followers, so we couldn't add them. So if you put this, then you get it. So, expandable search bar. Okay, I'll delete this. You click here, this gets big. So you can do this. I want it. Feature and share projects. Okay, I don't want this. Highlight character limit in what I'm working on. Okay, so we have what I'm working on. So we have the section in our profile. Here you can type 55 more characters. So infinite scrolling. Okay, so here you have the load mode. So we can do infinite scrolling here. So that's infinite. Live featured project. Okay, I don't want this. No items per row. No more links. Adds links for URLs pointing outside scratch.it.edu. Old studio layer. Nope. Profile page banner. Okay, I can put this on. Banner blur to 3. Okay. So in the profile, you're here. Here's the feature project. Here I will blur it. That's cool. Sprite and script button. Sprite and script button. Sprite and script count. Yep. So when comes the editor. Yeah. So TurboBob button, you can open it. TurboBob. Website doc mode, doc theme for Scratch website. Okay, this is what I wanted to show. So you get the doc mode everywhere. I like this. You can put it. So forums. Okay, we have the forums, so you can put all of these. You can see them. 2D Color Picker. This bitmap images copy. Nope. Block transparency. No. Focus click transcripts. No. Not automatically space overlapping scripts. No. Edit the sound effects. Yeah, you can put it. Remove current stage border. So you have all the scab, so it removes that. But I don't want to save blocks as image. Nope. Save SVG uploads fixes bug that allows SVG files created with some image editors such as Infinity Designer broken. So we are not able to put SVG files into Scratch, but if we have this add-in, then we can add and share button in editor. That one. better emojis. So the cat emojis in the comments on the website with improved vector designs. So I will match compact messages. Okay, so it makes our messages to make it more good to read. So see, you have a little more space, so you can read it in a better way. Okay, so control percentage to post, no. Customizable profile picture button, no. Front page curator link. So you don't want this front page curator link. So here, this is the project curated by Zebra Stripes. Again, okay, so he has curated. So see, this is one more thing which comes with Scratch Addons. Yeah. And by Zebra Stripes. Again, these are projects which were curated by him. So if we do not put this, then you just see we don't get it to click. But if we put on that, I'll reload and show. Yep. Then here you have that. So you can do that. Almost done. Hide project stats. No, I don't know this. So line breaks and comments makes line breaks. Pressing entering comments on the website. This bar stuff commenting there. Okay, I don't want this. Site filters. Let's just select filters for types of media to hide or show on Scratch message pages. Okay, hold on it. Okay, actually no. Project statistics. Profile statistics. Okay, this is the most cool thing. So you go to profile and then you get the statistics getting loaded. So yeah, you even get 260 followed by location and 14,659 most followed Scratch, 391 followers, but actually 394 because it takes time to get uploaded. So don't get scared. Project notes tabs. Creates tabs on project page for the instructions section and the notes and credits section. Okay, suppose I take my town shoot again. Yeah. And you get the instructions and notes and credits. Like you can get it separated. So, and the remix button in own projects. You have the remix button in your own projects. See, you've got the remix button for your own projects and share edited dates tooltip. Hover over project share date and then radio share unlisted date. Okay, this is cool. Does it work? Why? Okay, suppose I take battleship. Then, oh, no. Okay, so just, no, you don't get. Share edited tools. Hover over project share data for information on project share date. Okay, we have to go on the share date. Share date. Okay, just leave that. I don't want it. Show users IDs. Add the user ID next to the username in the top of the account pages. I don't want. Let's see what speed. 3 blocks and forums. Okay, suppose you have a forum. Show you forum activity. So this is the forum. So here, actually, let's open. It takes time because it's just many messages in 1 second. Okay, let's build with builders. So tell them let's see how this. Customizable default. Oh yeah, it's right. So here you have nice cool things. So you have the blocks, right? So yeah, blocks. So actually, there's no working. Yeah, actually, there must be some bug with them. So actually, it must be going on like that. So I'm not doing that. Let's move that. Customize able default project. Change the default project from Scratch to an existing project. Disable autosave. Autosave this disables it, so you have autosave. So it's dangerous, but you shouldn't put it. extra key support adds more keys to the key pressed block. So we have I'll show you moving it how it is, and then go to new function. Let it get created. Yeah. So in the sensing, you have the key space pressed and all. So here you don't have dot, comma, and all. So when you click on extra key support, um, yeah. So extra key support, I want it. Yeah. So here it's not there still. So let's refresh it. Yep. Reload. So here when you put sensing the key, then you even have dash, comma, and minus. So this also works. So HD image uploads. I love this feature. So you only upload. Sometimes it directly goes to the bitmap. I don't like, so it gets less bad. So I don't keep it. So what I do is I just click on HD upload, and then you select the one, and then it comes. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please hit the like, share, and please subscribe to my channel, and even comment on how you feel about this video.